What an awesome evening to be outside. I'm up on Stanage Edge with Joe. I've come for a little ramble and then to take some photographs for Instagram. We're hoping for sunset and we've not been disappointed. So if you haven't been to Stanage Edge before, it's a fabulous gritstone escarpment in the Peak District. Very popular with the climbers and boulderers. It's also fabulous for a walk. And we've almost got it to ourselves this evening. If you've got kids, they'd love it up here. Loads of things for them to jump over. And puddles to splash in. The sunset is looking gorgeous. Should be able to get some really decent photos today. I really need to be careful here. Last time I came, some idiot smashed his head on this and it hurt a bit. Still in one piece. It's a really great walk this, and it's dead easy. Car's only parked down there. Well worth a trip up. The sky's awesome. Not sure if the camera's picking up those sun rays. I think Andy Beavers told me they were crepuscular rays. I had to Google it again, Andy, sorry. Someone else getting their camera set up on the trig point. As you can probably pick up on the microphone, it's quite windy. But it's not stopping people from coming out. So as I said earlier, we've come to take a few photos for our Instagram accounts. Don't use anything out of the ordinary, just a smartphone. Most of the time I don't even bother with a tripod. Just take the snap and then give it a little tinkle in Lightroom. Although that doesn't really need much of an edit, does it? Those rays are looking spectacular now. Look at that. So I normally just use the native camera app, but for this one I'm going to use Open Camera. And I have it set to HDR mode, which is a little bit like bracketing. So it takes 2 or 3 photos and then joins them together. I'll pop that one up on the screen now. Now I've been asked a few questions on other videos about the clothes that I wear. So I'm going to quickly go through them now. I'm not going to go into all the text and specs, but the shoes I'm wearing are from Decathlon. They are a trail runner. I'm not actually sure what their model is, but I'll pop a link in the description below. I have 2 types of trousers. These ones that I'm wearing now are a Montane Terra Pant, but I also wear some Craghoppers Kiwi Pros, I think they're called. But these Montane Terra Pants, they dry really quickly and they're incredibly comfortable. So the jacket that I'm wearing is a Rab Fuse. It's a Pertex Shield Shell, so it's waterproof, a little bit breathable, but all waterproofs make you sweat if you're doing a strenuous activity. It's got taped waterproof zips and Velcro on the sleeves. You'll have seen this fleece a few times now. This is just a regular Berghaus fleece that I've got, and then underneath I just normally wear some kind of polyester base layer. I've got a Berghaus one. I think this one is a Black's Technicals. This is looking superb. These gritstone rocks, really interesting. I'm really glad we came up after all the bad weather that we've had lately. The sheep aren't bothered about the sunset, are they? sun's just about to fall down behind Kinder Scout. What a gorgeous evening. You see Stanage Edge going all the way along. It gets quite steep in places. Never ever going to beat a DSLR camera for image quality, but even just using your smartphone you can get some decent pictures for social media, so it's well worth taking your phone out with you and taking a few snaps while you're out hiking. That's it, the last glimpse of the sun for today. Alright, so I'm going to take the last photo and while we've got a little bit of light left. Again, I'm going to use the open camera app just because I find it gives you a better dynamic range. Those rocks look good, don't they? See it flashing in the corner, and after a little fettle on Lightroom, this is what it looks like. We're starting to lose the light a little bit now, so probably time to get back to the car. Joe's doing a little bit of editing on the go. I'm hoping that you can hear me through the wind okay. The view down there is stunning, and as you can see there's still plenty of colour in the sky. So that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know there's no tents or gear in this one, but it's really nice to get outside and see some stunning views. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.